The Igbo tribe are one of the happiest and liveliest people that you can meet. Everything about their culture has a lot of color, has a lot of drama, and you expect to see a very rich yet diverse group of people. And of course, they have very beautiful, gorgeous women in the Igbo tribe. Today we'll be looking at the Igbo culture through their food. We have 5 states in the southeastern region of Nigeria that makes up the Igbo tribe. You have Abia, Imo, Ebonyi, Enugu, and Anambra. While the Igbo tribe might span into some other neighboring or south-south states, but these are the 5 major Igbo states that we have. One thing you should know about the Igbos is that they are very industrious and they dominate a lot of the commercial centers in Nigeria. And of course, they have the popular Ugba market. If you're here for the first time, welcome to Ini's Kitchen. We just started a series where we explore Nigerian food and culture through the food of the indigenous tribes that we have in Nigeria. So you are in for a treat. Let's get into the video. The first one is called Isi Ewu, meaning goat head. This delicacy is made from meat gotten from goat head. It's very popular. In fact, I remember that as a child, we have all of these Igbo men or Igbo traders, and we'll go to a restaurant and order this big plate of Isiewu. Is usually served in a mortar and it will be heaped. Although sometimes that mortar seems like they are deceiving us because it's not that deep, but it's simply delicious. The next one we have is called African salad, or called abacha. Abacha is very popular in the eastern part of Nigeria and even the western part of Nigeria. This food is indigenous to the Igbo people. It originated from them and it is simply delicious. Abacha is also known as cassava flakes. It is made from cassava. So you have tiny strands of cassava that is being kind of shaved off the cassava until you have these long strands that are like flaky strands. Then it is dipped into a sauce with dried fish, crayfish. We have what we call Ugba. So I think, yeah, it's Ugba. Yes, that's the name. So it's really delicious. The next one we have is called Ukwa. Ukwa is like the sister to Isiewu, but remember that Isiewu is goat meat. Ukwa is cow meat, made from cow feet, and sometimes they add cow skin. It is, like I said, always heaped in a plate or in a like mortar kind of bowl. Our next food is called ogbono soup or draw soup. This is eaten all over the country in Nigeria, but you can also say it is indigenous to the Igbo people also. They eat it there, they eat it with swallow, and it has this very stretchy feel, and that's why sometimes we call it draw soup. Ogbono is actually made from ogbono seeds. And like I said, it's not just in the eastern part of Nigeria that they eat ogbono. Even in the western, the northern part of Nigeria, they eat ogbono. The next one we have is called Ofe Nsala, meaning white soup. So it is usually called white soup because you won't add palm oil to it. In most of the foods, they always add palm oil, but white soup, it has a lot of dry fish and meat, but you will not add palm oil. So that's why they call it white soup. It's very delicious and they eat it with pounded yam. The next one we have is called Ukwa, also known as breadfruit. So Ukwa is like a breadfruit porridge. It is made with a whole lot of delicious ingredients. You can, add fish, add momo, spice it up the way you like. But this food is indigenous to Igbo people. Most of the time, they are the ones that prepare it. I think the Igbo tribe is one tribe that makes use of the herbs and the trees around them a whole lot in their cuisine. The next one is called Oha soup. Oha soup is also another popular soup. Tell me something. The Igbo people have so many soup. If you are Igbo, just let us know in the comment section. Do you prepare this? How do you prepare it? What's the origin of some of these soups? Let us know in the comment section. Like I said, Oha is very delicious. It's a popular Igbo soup, and it's not that difficult to prepare, there are some specific leaves and spices that you have to use in the oha soup. My Igbo people, my Nigerian people, if you know how to make oha soup, let us know in the comment section. Put in the ingredients in the comment section. The next one is egusi soup. Egusi soup is very, very popular in Nigeria, whether it's in the west or in the eastern part of Nigeria. It is made from melon seeds. Melon seeds are very rich in fat and oil, and of course you can eat it with swallow or rice. Like I said earlier on, melon seeds are very rich in fat and oil, and we use it to make a lot of delicacies, especially this egusi soup. This is the final cuisine that we have, and it's called Ugba sauce or Ukwa. What I know about this is called oil bean tree. Yes, that's it. And they use it, you can make a sauce and use it with yam, but what I know is they use it very well in African salad. So aside the cassava flakes, you have this Ugba that they add to the African salad, and it is simply delicious. If you've learned something in today's video, if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you interact and engage with our video. Like it, share it on that WhatsApp group. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, tell us if you've tried these soups, even if you're not Igbo. Make sure you tell us in the comment section. Thank you, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.